Hello, and welcome to this video on 5 innovative ideas to generate income with AI. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we do business and has opened up a new world of income generating opportunities. In this video, we'll explore 5 different ideas that can help you make money with AI. So, let's get started. Idea 1. AI-powered personal shopping assistants. The first idea on our list is to use AI-powered personal shopping assistants. Personal shopping assistants are AI-powered software applications that can help customers with their shopping needs. By using personal shopping assistants, you can enhance the customer experience and increase sales. Personal shopping assistants can provide personalized product recommendations, assist with product selection, and provide customer support. This can help you build customer loyalty and generate income. Idea 2. AI-enabled content creation. The second idea on our list is to use AI-enabled content creation. AI-enabled content creation is a process that uses artificial intelligence to generate content. By using AI-enabled content creation, you can create high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually. AI-powered tools can generate articles, blog posts, social media content, and much more. This can save you time and money and improve your content quality. You can monetize this content by using it for affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or advertising. Idea 3. AI-powered business intelligence. The third idea on our list is to use AI-powered business intelligence. Business intelligence is the process of analyzing data to make better business decisions. By using AI-powered business intelligence, you can gain valuable insights into your business operations and make informed decisions. AI-powered tools can help you analyze customer behavior, market trends, and competitor strategies. This can help you identify new revenue streams, optimize your operations, and increase your profitability. Idea 4. AI-enabled customer service. The fourth idea on our list is to use AI-enabled customer service. AI-enabled customer service is a process that uses artificial intelligence to automate customer service interactions. By using AI-enabled customer service, you can improve the customer experience and reduce costs. AI-powered tools can handle a large volume of inquiries and provide quick and accurate responses to customers. This can lead to improved customer satisfaction and increased revenue. Idea 5. AI-powered advertising. The fifth idea on our list is to use AI-powered advertising. AI-powered advertising is a process that uses artificial intelligence to optimize advertising campaigns. By using AI-powered advertising, you can improve your advertising ROI and increase your revenue. AI-powered tools can help you analyze customer behavior, identify profitable advertising channels, and optimize your ad spend. This can help you reach your target audience more effectively and generate more income. Thank you for watching this video on 5 innovative ideas to generate income with AI. We hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring. If you would like a deep dive in any of these, tell us which one on the comments section and we can showcase AI tools that can be used. Remember, artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can help you grow your business and generate income. By leveraging AI-powered tools and techniques, you can automate tasks, improve customer engagement, and make better business decisions.